This isn't just a 1969 Camaro, it's a 720 horsepower black beast hiding a monstrous 572 big block under the hood, and it's worth over $153,000. In the world of classic American muscle cars, there are restored Camaros, there are modified Camaros, and then there are machines that completely redefine what a Camaro can be. This is one of those machines. A 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Restomod Tribute finished in sinister black, powered by a massive 572 cubic inch GM Crate V8, equipped with modern performance technology, luxury interior upgrades, and enough horsepower to challenge modern supercars. At first glance, it looks like a beautifully restored first-generation Camaro. But the moment you get closer, you realize this isn't a restoration, it's a statement. Every line, every detail, every upgrade was designed with one goal in mind: creating the ultimate driving experience while preserving one of the most iconic muscle car designs ever produced. The black paint immediately commands attention. Under showroom lighting, the body appears smooth and endless, reflecting everything around it like a mirror. The aggressive front spoiler sits low to the ground, while the rear spoiler adds just enough attitude to remind everyone this Camaro means business. Then there's the cowl induction hood. It's not there for decoration. It's there because something extraordinary lies underneath, and what waits beneath that hood is nothing short of legendary, a 572 cubic inch GM Crate V8. That's 9.4 liters of naturally aspirated American muscle. This isn't a small block engine. This isn't even a typical big block. This is a monster built with GMP aluminum heads and paired with Edelbrock FAST electronic fuel injection. The engine combines old school displacement with modern reliability and performance. Twist the key, the starter engages. Then suddenly, the giant V8 erupts to life. The entire car trembles. The exhaust note isn't simply loud, it's deep, violent, authoritative, a sound that instantly transports you back to the golden era of American horsepower. Long tube headers channel exhaust gases into an X-pipe dual exhaust system before exiting through MagnaFlow mufflers. The result is a soundtrack that feels more like a warning than an engine note. Every blip of the throttle sends shockwaves through the air. Every acceleration run feels like a controlled explosion. And with well over 600 horsepower available, this Camaro has the performance to back up its appearance. Press the clutch, grab the shifter, engage first gear. The Tremec 5-speed manual transmission transforms the experience from transportation into participation. Modern muscle cars may offer automatic transmissions capable of lightning-fast shifts, but nothing replaces the connection created by a manual gearbox. Every shift becomes an event. Every gear change becomes part of the experience. Every acceleration run becomes a conversation between driver and machine. As the Camaro launches forward, the giant 572 responds instantly. Torque arrives with overwhelming force. The rear tires fight for grip. The horizon begins rushing toward the windshield. And suddenly you're reminded why big block muscle cars became legends, yet this Camaro isn't trapped in the past. Far from it. Traditional muscle cars were often criticized for handling limitations. This Restomod solves that problem completely. Beneath the body sits a carefully engineered suspension package featuring tubular control arms, coilovers, adjustable rear sway bars, and subframe connectors. These upgrades transform the driving dynamics. The chassis feels tighter, the steering feels sharper, the entire vehicle feels more composed and predictable. Instead of merely dominating straight roads, this Camaro attacks corners with confidence. Power means little if you can't control it. Fortunately, stopping power receives just as much attention as acceleration. Wilwood power disc brakes, equipped with cross-drilled and slotted rotors, provide serious braking capability. Whether cruising through city streets or attacking winding roads, the braking system delivers confidence every time the pedal is pressed. Massive horsepower, modern handling, race-inspired braking. This Camaro offers all three. Then there's the rear axle, a Curry 9-inch rear end. Among performance enthusiasts, few names command more respect. Built to handle enormous amounts of torque, the Currie setup ensures every bit of power reaches the pavement while maintaining durability under extreme conditions. It's exactly the kind of hardware required for a machine of this caliber. But perhaps the most surprising aspect of this build lies inside. Open the door and you're greeted by an interior that feels worlds away from a factory. 1969 Camaro custom leather upholstery covers the cabin. Diamond stitching adds a premium luxury car feel. The seats look handcrafted. The craftsmanship is immediately obvious. At the center sits a custom console that blends modern functionality with classic design. Ahead of the driver, AutoMeter Pro Comp gauges provide vital information while maintaining a performance-oriented appearance. Every surface feels intentional. Every detail feels considered. Every upgrade feels purposeful. Comfort wasn't forgotten either. Vintage air climate control keeps the cabin cool during summer cruises. Power windows and power locks add convenience. A tilt steering wheel improves driving comfort, and a Kenwood audio system with Bluetooth connectivity allows modern entertainment without compromising the classic atmosphere. This is the beauty of a properly executed Restomod. You receive the soul of a 1969 Camaro while enjoying conveniences expected from modern vehicles. It looks vintage, it feels modern, it sounds unforgettable. Rolling on Billet Specialties wheels wrapped in Nitto performance tires, the Camaro completes its transformation from classic muscle car into pro touring masterpiece. The stance is aggressive. The proportions are perfect. The presence is undeniable. People don't simply notice this car. They stop and stare. And perhaps that's the ultimate achievement of this build. It respects the original Camaro while elevating every aspect of its performance, comfort, and capability. For an asking price of $153,995, you're not simply purchasing a classic car. You're acquiring thousands of hours of craftsmanship. You're acquiring engineering expertise. You're acquiring one of the most iconic American designs ever created, enhanced with modern technology and powered by one of the most intimidating engines GM has ever offered. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Restomod Tribute isn't just transportation. It isn't merely a collector car. It's a rolling masterpiece of American muscle, a machine built to dominate the road, command attention at every show, and deliver an experience that few vehicles, classic or modern, can match. And the moment that 572 big block roars to life, you'll understand exactly why.